actually going to start this screen on a subscription created where you can see the vault ID holding the funded amount, the key that we were given, the transaction ID, the block ID, and then instructions on how to start using your key. We got that one, so we're just going to kind of show this from square one. Once you have arrived to the page and you have connected your wallet, you can see your address, your balance, and that you're connected. You should be able to see different status blocks to make sure that we are connected to our logic written in Cadence, to our Oracle integration, which gives us our usage, and for blockchain payments to actually be able to pay for these tokens. So we can see that the transaction's been sealed for the most previous event, which is just kind of like a status check here. But down here towards the bottom is the good stuff, where you can see how much storage you have available on Flow, how much free space you have. You can always recheck your storage just to make sure you're within bounds. And you can see it's incredibly generous, so we've got a lot of storage to play with. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to set our provider address, which is somebody that we know that is providing a service for us. And we would like to give them an initial deposit of 0.01 flow. And what this is going to do right now is it's going to create a vault for the user, which is in an account that is dual asset, meaning that we have assets that are controlled by cadence flows as well as assets that are EVM assets. So we can bridge and move things accordingly. Yay, we made a new subscription. So what's happening here is that we've got a light LLM key, which we can now use as long as we hit our base URL. So we could actually copy this code and just put it into any old service, and now we've got an OpenAI integration that works super well. You can see the transaction that was deployed here on Flow, the coin withdrawal, and the actual movement of the funds. And if we go back, we should be able to manage our subscriptions. So you can see that there's a balance on each one of these and then a different total cost because we're doing variable cost. And so just so we can see that these APIs are alive and working, I'm going to go ahead and grab that curl request with that key that we just created and send off another request. And there we go. We've got a live chat coming back saying, hi, how can I assist you? So we know that this is working. And then what we should also be getting on here, if we refresh, is the actual live tracked usage that is going to come in tracking our tokens as well as our vault balance once it gets used and verified by the Flare API. Once Flare verifies, we will automatically send over the tokens. You can see your model usage breakdown, update your settings, add a flow, refresh usage, and delete your subscription if you want to. Thank you so much. We were super excited to build on this.